Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and full review of this Coleman Triton 2-burner stove. I just got it in, so let's open it up and see what we have in the box here. So you'll know exactly what you get when it comes in. And I'm going to lay it down flat here for just a minute so I can slide it out. Alright, comes in some nice styrofoam. That's it in this package, so I'll get rid of that. And the styrofoam piece here. And we're going to take this out right there. And that is our Coleman Triton 2-burner stove. And pretty lightweight, not too bad at all. And right here is how I'm going to open it up. And let's open it up and see exactly what we have inside. We have our user guide right here. And then this is keeping these together. I'm going to open this up. These are basically your wind covers right here. When you have it stood up, you'll pull these out. I'll show you exactly how that works. I had an older model for many, many years, and it finally had seen its better days, so I decided to get a new one. I'm going to pull this up here and take this off. I like the fact with the Coleman stuff that everything comes out, so it's really easy to clean, easy to get access in here to clean everything as well. And then this is the connector for the propane tank right here. And I'm just going to get rid of both of these here. There we go. That way we can get this thing set up and ready to go. And of course a warning label about the carbon monoxide, very important. But as you can see here, these will fold out. And then if in fact it is extremely windy, you can put these in, and I'll show you how to do that in just a few minutes. And I am going to grab a propane tank, check out the user manual, and then we'll see it in action. Okay, I went through the user manual, and I also have my 1-pound propane tank, so let's go ahead and hook this up. And basically you take this off and on each time. It's pretty simple. You put it in here, and you screw this in until it is tight. And you're just gonna hand tighten this right down. And once that's on there, then all you're going to do is take your propane tank right here and you're going to attach that. This is the part, I think, where they say 4 hours later. And then that rests right there. And then I'm going to turn this so you can see it. Right there. And I'll also show you these wind flaps here. What happens is when these come up, they have these 2 pins right here. I'm not sure how good you can see that, but basically you stand it up here and these slip right in here, nice and easy. And they have quite a few different ways. They can be there, a little closer, all the way in. And that's pretty much it there. But I'm gonna take these down for now, just so you can see how easy that is to fold these in, fold these up here. And now, let's go ahead and fire up a burner here. I'm gonna turn it sideways again. And make sure and read the user manual on how to fire this up here. There it is, right there. Not sure if you can see that burning. I'm going to fire the other one up as well. Just hitting the red start button here while I turn on the gas. And they are both going. I'm going to turn them up. I think you can probably hear that. They are putting out a lot of flame and working out great. I'm going to go ahead and shut these off now. And once you have these shut off, it's really easy to be done and put this thing away. All I'm going to do is unscrew the propane tank. A little faster this time. And then you unscrew this. Make sure everything in here is nice and cool. And then I'm gonna store this right here. That way it doesn't go anywhere. I fold this up, clamp it down, and it is ready for storage. And even comes with a nice little carrying handle here. And that's it. Overall, looking forward to putting this to use. I got this for this camping season and excited to use it.